Hi, I'm Bob. Come let us listen to the animal sounds. Can you hear the duck go quack, quack, quack? Listen to the duck go quack, quack, quack. Can you hear the hen go cluck, cluck, cluck? Listen to the hen go cluck, cluck, cluck. Can you hear the horse go neigh, neigh, neigh? Listen to the horse go neigh, neigh, neigh. Can you hear the cow go moo, moo, moo? Listen to the cow go moo, moo, moo. Can you hear the pig go oink, oink, oink? Listen to the pig go oink, oink, oink. Can you hear the sheep go ba, ba, ba? Listen to the sheep go ba, ba, ba. Can you hear the dog go woof, woof, woof? Listen to the dog go woof, woof, woof. Can you hear the cat go meow, meow, meow? Listen to the cat go meow, meow, meow. Can you hear the monkeys go chatter, chatter, chatter? Listen to the monkeys go chatter, chatter, chatter. Can you hear the lion go roar, roar, roar? Listen to the lion go roar, roar, roar. Can you hear the owl go hoot, hoot, hoot? Listen to the owl go hoot, hoot, hoot. Can you hear the frog go ribbit, ribbit, ribbit? Listen to the frog go ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Can you hear the snake go hiss, hiss, hiss? Listen to the snake go hiss, hiss, hiss. Can you hear the flies go buzz, buzz, buzz? Listen to the flies go buzz, buzz, buzz. Can you hear the donkey go hee haw haw? Listen to the donkey go hee haw haw. Can you hear the goose go gobble, gobble, gobble? Listen to the goose go gobble, gobble, gobble. Did you enjoy that? Yes! You can come back anytime! Hey kids! Let's play Name the Animal today with Bob the Train!
Yay!
What has a trunk and big, big ears? What has a trunk and big, big ears? What has big ears, really big, big ears? What has a trunk and big, big ears?
An elephant!
Yes! What gives milk and goes moo? What gives milk and goes moo? What goes moo moo, and that's what it will do. What gives milk and goes moo?
A cow!
Yes! What's friendly and goes woof woof? What's friendly and goes woof woof? What goes woof woof, woof 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 woof? What's friendly and goes woof woof?
A dog!
Yes! What loves mud and goes oink oink? What loves mud and goes oink oink? What goes oink oink and boink boink boink? What loves mud and goes oink oink?
A pig! pig.
Yes! What jumps around going hop, hop? What jumps around going hop, hop? What jumps around hop, 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 hop? What jumps around going hop, hop?
A kangaroo.
Yes! What has a mane of hair and roars? What has a mane of hair and roars? What goes roar, roar, and roar, roar, roar? What has a mane of hair and roars?
A lion.
Yes! What has a neck that's very, very long? What has a neck that's very, very long? What has a neck that's long? It's very, very long. What has a neck that's very, very long?
A giraffe.
Yes! Wasn't that fun?
Yay!
Let's do it again soon with Bob the Train. Hey kids, let's visit the zoo with Bob the Train. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met a lion, E-I-E-I-O. With a roar, roar here and a roar, roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar, roar. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Look over there! It's an elephant! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. With a trumpet, trumpet here and a trumpet, trumpet there. Here a trumpet, there a trumpet, everywhere a trumpet, trumpet. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. What's over there? It's a horse! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Over there! It's a bear! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met a bear, E-I-E-I-O. With a growl, growl here and a growl, growl there. Here a growl, there a growl, everywhere a growl, growl. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. What's that we hear? Ah, it's a gaggle of geese. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met some geese, E-I-E-I-O. With a honk honk here and a honk honk there. Here a honk, there a honk, everywhere a honk honk. Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. Look! Up in the trees! It's monkeys! Bob the Train went to the zoo, E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met some monkeys, E-I-E-I-O. With an ooh-ah here and an ooh-ah there. the train went to the zoo. E-I-E-I-O. What's that? It's a bunch of frogs. Bob the train went to the zoo. E-I-E-I-O. And in the zoo he met some frogs. E-I-E-I-O. With a ribbit, ribbit here and a ribbit, ribbit there. Here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere a ribbit, ribbit. Bob the train went to the zoo. E-I-E-I-O. Wasn't that fun? See you again soon with Bob the Train!